Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We had this pipe here installed first, poured in our footing. And this was pretty tight against the bottom of this. We've gained this much. Just to show you how kind of sketchy this build was on this patio. It's crunching. This gap up here is probably about like that. We got our steel lintel up top. When we're finished, we'll remove this jack and we'll steel pipe this up so it'll catch both of these and span over any cracks that are happening right here. Jade Alpine, little project here. See you guys on the next one.